Chapter 1. The image people assume. Many think Anant Ambani was born into a world where luxury defines everything and simplicity has no place. When people hear his name, they immediately imagine wealth, privilege, and a life far away from ordinary experiences. But that image is only the surface, because behind it lies a quieter story. One that is not about showing wealth, but about returning again and again to something deeply grounded and meaningful. Chapter 2. A life connected to sacred places. One of the most consistent patterns in Anant Ambani's public spiritual presence is his connection with some of India's most important temples. He has been associated with visits to Dwarkadhish temple in Dwarka, where Lord Krishna is worshipped, and the sea breeze carries a deep sense of devotion. He has also been seen in connection with Somnath temple of Gujarat, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva, known for its powerful spiritual history. Along with this, Ambaji temple, a major Shakti Peeth dedicated to goddess Amba, also forms part of this sacred circuit. These are not random spiritual losses. They feel like a connected journey, a pattern of returning to places where silence, faith, and grounding naturally exist. Chapter 3. Temples as a place of balance. For many, temples are a place of prayer, but for some, they are also places of balance and silence in a noisy world. In Anant Ambani's case, visit to Dwarkadhish temple, Somnath temple and Ambaji temple reflect exactly this idea. These moments are not about attention or display. They're about connection to belief, culture, and something larger than everyday life. In these sacred spaces, everything external fades for a while, and what remains is stillness. And in that stillness, a different kind of simplicity appears. Not simplicity of lifestyle, but simplicity of mind and presence. Chapter 4. Spirituality beyond temples. This spiritual connection does not remain limited to temples. It extends into real-world action through initiatives like Vantara in Jamnagar. Vantara is a large-scale wildlife rescue and rehabilitation project where injured and endangered animals are cared for and given a safe environment to heal. If we look closely, a deeper connection appears. The same sense of compassion and responsibility that is felt in temples also reflects here in a different form. Where Dwarkadhish temple represents devotion, Somnath represents energy, and Ambaji represents divine energy, Vantara represents action, care in practice, not just belief in thought. Together, they form a wider picture of spirituality that is not limited to rituals, but expressed through how life around us is treated. Chapter 5. The meaning of simplicity. So what is the real truth behind Anant Ambani's simplicity? It is not defined by minimal living or distance from wealth. Instead, it is reflected in a consistent grounding through faith and tradition. His repeated connection with places like Dwarkadhish temple, Somnath temple, and Ambaji temple shows a steady return to something that keeps life balanced. In a world full of attention, scale, and expectations, there is a visible pattern. A return to silence, belief, and inner clarity. And that is where his simplicity truly exists. Anant Ambani's simplicity is not in what he owns or shows. It is in how he stays connected to his roots while living in a world that is constantly moving. And maybe that is the real lesson here. Simplicity is not about having less. It's about staying grounded, even when life gives you everything.